We are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. There's only one place to find all them bits and bobs for doing your wizardry. That is, of course, if you know where to go.
There you are. It is I, the Sorting Hat. Try me on and we shall see which house you ought to be. Perhaps you are wise, keepers of truth, the ready mind of Ravenclaw, always astute. Maybe you're loyal, maybe you're kind, just of heart and Hufflepuff of mind. Is it power you seek? So it seems. For the brave at heart, the courageous few, the house of Gryffindor welcomes each and every one of you. House is sorted, the year ready to begin. Your triumphs will be rewarded, defiance will do you in. A house come to the champions, who of you shall win?
I solemnly swear that I am up to no good.
Into the Forbidden Forest.
remember, we are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided. Together now, wands in the air, and at the ready. Lumos Salem! We all have both light and dark inside us. What matters most is the part we choose to act on. For pride, ambition, and cunning, this year's House Cup winner is Slytherin.
Suck it, Harry Potter!
While we may come from different places and speak in different tongues, with only a touch of magic, our hearts beat as one.